In this video, I'm going to show you how to arrest someone in emergency Hamburg. So first, make sure to start the ship at the police station. To locate the police station, you can just click the M key on your keyboard and it will show you the map. So in here, choose a shift you want. You can be a patrol or traffic police and so on with the others. Then start shift, and now you can now arrest someone in emergency Hamburg. So make sure the person you are going to arrest has a wanted level. So basically here, I couldn't find a criminal in here because they drove fast and run fast, so I couldn't catch them. But I do have some tips to arrest someone here easily. First, if they're driving their car or planning to take the car, just simply shoot the car so the car will slower down and it will damage their car and possible it will break their car. Secondly is when you're chasing a criminal running, shoot them first with a taser gun and it will paralyze the criminal, and you can cut them with a handcuff, and that's it. So basically I couldn't show you any criminal because we have a few people in here in this server. And that's it. That's how you arrest someone in emergency Hamburg. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.